Anyway, so I want to start this vlog by saying that it is going to be a different style for me for this video, because I usually do my vlogs where I'm talking to you guys, taking you throughout my day, explaining things. But if you can't hear it, I'm not feeling the greatest. My voice is just not where it should be. I had a whole other video planned, but that required me to talk a whole bunch because it is an informational style video. And so that is going to have to wait until next week. But at least now I have a planned video for next week. So I'm excited about that. I don't have to worry about that. But I still wanted to try to get a video out to you guys today, even though as of me filming this right now, it is Tuesday. I usually post on Mondays, so this video will definitely get out later in the week. I'm planning on filming it, editing it tomorrow probably, and maybe posting it on Thursday. So yeah, that is what I have going on. It's going to be a little bit different for me, so hopefully you still enjoy this style of vlog. And let me know if you want to see more styles of this or these type of vlogs for me. Maybe you guys don't like to hear me talk that much, but every time I start talking too much, I start getting coughing fits, so I felt like this would be a better style to do today, because I still want to try to get something out for you guys. I'm trying to be a lot more present and consistent on my channel. It is hard. I'm not putting a lot of pressure on myself because I do have a 9-to-5. You guys know I'm a mom, blah, blah, blah. So like, I'm just basically doing the best with what I can for the moment. So anyway, again, I have work to do for my actual job. I'm working on a WordPress site, and there are some functionalities that I need to tweak and see if I might need to add some like custom code to it, but we'll see about that. I'm hoping I don't, because I already had to for another thing, and I don't really feel like doing that right now because I don't feel good. So if I can find a simple solution, that would be amazing. But I need to go ahead and take another look at that, because I have a call with the client to update them on the progress or like the edits that they wanted on Thursday. So I have to do that. I also have a lot of admin work to do for the Minimal Jess, so more work to do for my actual like content creation business than I do for my actual job, which I'm very thankful for, to be honest, because I would rather be doing content related things, because this is just like something I love to do. So I have emails to respond to that are content related for different opportunities that have been presented to me. And I just feel really blessed right now. I do want to say this before I stop talking. I feel really blessed right now because there's been a few things that I've prayed about and asked God for, and a few things that I wrote down on my goals for like at the end of last year for 2024 that are literally presenting themselves right now. And so I know we tell ourselves all the time, like, or I tell you guys, like, you got this. And I need to tell myself that more. I feel like that's my like little slogan here on my channel, is like, you got this. I'm always telling you guys that because you do. But sometimes I don't always feel that myself, which is crazy. But you guys know how that can be. And sometimes we sit here and we want things and we see things for ourselves and we want to do certain things. But sometimes it's hard to see the progress that you're actually making, and it's hard to see it going anywhere until certain things happen. And hopefully that makes sense. But basically, I'm in a space where now I'm starting to see like, okay, I want to eventually like, do certain things as far as my career, like, do content creation more on a full-time scale, or full-time scale, and, be working on my terms as it pertains to my web development skills, and just figuring out what that looks like going forward. So anyway, God is really presenting me with some things that I've asked and prayed for, and I feel blessed and thankful, and I'm super thankful for you guys and your support, and just continuing to be here through all of my, roller coaster things that go on this channel throughout my journey. You guys have been so supportive, and I just really, really appreciate you guys. And so, yeah, I'm just feeling very blessed. So yeah, I need to respond to some emails, do a little bit of cleaning up. I'm not gonna go crazy, but I definitely want to get my youngest daughter's room together. She's 5, so she still needs a little help cleaning it up to standard. And I also need to work on some 100 Devs homework. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna also order some lunch real quick too, because it's 12:06 and I'm hungry, and my husband just went to go run an errand, and I'm sure he'll be hungry too. So I'm just gonna order something quick so he can have something too when he gets home, and we'll make dinner later. But yeah, I'm gonna get going with the day, and I will pop in as necessary. But I do want to say up front, thank you for being here. I love you guys, and I will talk to you soon. I got some work done. It's been a lot of time that has passed since the last time I checked in, and I know it probably doesn't seem like it from the edits of this video, but time has passed. I just got done working on some stuff for my actual job. I still need to look at the WordPress site, but I responded to some really important emails, got that knocked out, and I ate lunch, got that knocked out. That's important. But I've been kind of just taking it easy, not really rushing through anything. So I think now what I'm going to do is go ahead and clean my daughter's room before she gets home from school, because I just don't like to clean around them, because sometimes I go and declutter some stuff. And if you're a parent, you already know kids want to say that they play with stuff still when you're trying to get rid of it that they haven't played with in like years. So I'm going to go clean up her room real quick. It's not too bad, because I did a pretty deep clean the other day as far as like decluttering and stuff like that. But kids just, they accumulate things, and sometimes I'm like, where is this even coming from? It's probably the grandparents, but I'm gonna go do that so that I can get ready for a study session, because I have about 30 minutes before I have to get ready to go get the kids, or my husband might go get them, but either way, 30 minutes before stuff starts getting crazy in here. So I kind of just want to knock that out, but I don't necessarily want to start studying because 30 minutes is not long enough. So I'll just do that after I clean. Okay, so hopefully you guys can hear me because my kids are home and they are arguing already, but I was cleaning this stuff up and I just wanted to share this for any parents that are out there. These are like, excuse my hands, I need lotion because I've been cleaning, but these are Bob books, so they're all out of order right now, but you get sets of books and they go by difficulty. So this is like part of set 1, so this is like I think one of the easier books, and then they go up in difficulty. And then I actually learned how to read when I was 4 from these books. My mom got me these. This is how I learned how to read. This is how I taught my 8-year-old how to read. And so we are teaching my 5-year-old now. She's pretty good at sounding out and putting together letter sounds and getting through books. Like this book is all messed up, but this is a level 1 ready to read book, and she can get through this pretty well. And it's like super simple, as you can see, super simple to read, but there are some like the double letters and different words that she hasn't seen yet, but she's doing pretty well with them because of the letter sounds. And then for Christmas, I'm pretty sure my mom got this, I'm not sure, but this is like one of those little tangram, I think is what they're called. Versatiles. I'm sorry. Versatiles. You get this, and then you get like an activity book. And I'm not going to go through all of it, but you basically line this up based on this. It gives you instructions, and it just goes through different reading and letter sounds and different things like that. And she loves it. There's more books down here that came with this box. I had got my oldest a set, so I have some that are like more loved on because before my little one got to the point where she could actually read, she was just in here crumbling up books. And yeah, anyway, I have some that are from my oldest daughter, and then some that came with this actual set. But I just wanted to share that because I know it can be difficult trying to like teach your kid how to read or like potty train and stuff like that. So this is one thing that really helps and really works to teach your kids how to read if you're interested in anything. And yeah, this one's not even open yet, but it's like a different level, so we'll get there. the homework I showed you guys earlier, but this is the layout for the restaurant. And this is what I was able to complete today. Again, this is not perfect. Like, I need to, fix the alignment to match this so that, only welcome is on the top line and things like that. And then I used different icons here than the ones that they have here, but that's just me being lazy. And also I have a free font awesome. I'm not paying for this. I'm just gonna use the free version. But yeah, this is what I have so far. There's 2 more sections that I have to get through in this particular layout, but I think I made pretty good progress for starting this today and having to take multiple breaks and things like that. I think it looks pretty good. Oh, also I need to fix the spacing between that button and the search form. But those are like minor things. I'm not going to spend too much time on that right now. The idea is to just get it on the page and just continue throughout the layout, trying to get the code there. But I am very tired. My voice is starting to crack and go out again. I have decided to work from home again tomorrow because I don't want to go to work just coughing like crazy again. Or at all. So I'm really only supposed to get 2 work from home days, and with me having that off day Monday and working from home today, technically I'm supposed to go in the rest of the week, but I already emailed my manager and told him what was going on. So anyway, my husband made spaghetti tonight, so he took care of dinner. I am super, super thankful and blessed for that because I really didn't feel like it. Plus it gave me more time to do my homework since I had like some other stuff going on. So I think for the rest of the night, my husband and I are going to chill with the kids. And then when they go to bed, we might watch a movie or something. We started a movie last night, but we both fell asleep. So we'll probably finish that tonight. And yeah, I'm going to close out the vlog here. Let me know if you guys like these more, not so much talking vlogs where oh, I thought she didn't have on any pants. But let me know in the comments if you guys like more of these, less talking vlogs where I'm just kind of showing you what I'm doing throughout the day and just taking you through the day like that. Because on days like this where I don't feel good or there's just a lot going on, a lot of noise in the house, I might start doing these kind of vlogs, but we'll see. I just wanted to get something out and to have you guys feel connected with you guys by posting. So here you go. I think that's it. I'm going to close it out. I'm going to finish up a couple of things here and call it a night. So I'll see you guys in the next one.